has failed and failed woefully in Taraba State by the Darius Ishaku-led government. That is why we are seeing, both nationally and internationally, that they should be declared as war criminals. If a president of a country can be declared an international war criminal, what more of a state governor in Nigeria? Not even the president. So we are calling as a matter of urgent public importance that these killings has to stop. And the only way to stop it is to declare a state of emergency in Nigeria and to declare the trial of Darius Dickson Ishaku, the governor of Taraba State, and Abel Peter Dia, the Speaker of the House of Assembly, and finally the chairman of Southern Local Government, Mr. John Yep, and their cohorts. We have their list, we have all their conversations, but these are the most important public officers. They should be declared war criminals because of their direct involvement in the killings or in the extermination of the Fulanis, in the genocide, if like a pogrom that has taken place. You know why it is a pogrom? Because no eyes have ever seen or witnessed it in the history of humanity. Because even in Rwanda, some rules of engagement were observed, but certainly not on the plateau, on the Mambilla plateau. None of the rules of engagements were. Instead, they have gone ahead to reach the peak of heartlessness, gentlemen. This is where we will show you the pictures, you will see the videos, where pregnant women were killed, slaughtered like sacrificial lambs. They were slaughtered, operated on. The unborn children were removed from the mother's womb. The unborn children were removed from the mother's womb and were equally slaughtered and even celebrated. They were held, in their hands and celebrating their victory over the Fulanis. This is what has taken place on the Mambilla, plateau.